In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Luma AI by Luma Labs. Start by searching for Luma AI and click on the first link to access the Luma Labs website. If you haven't already, log into your account using the options provided in the right corner. Once logged in, you'll find two main options, Imagine and Capture. Imagine allows you to create 3D objects from text descriptions. Enter a descriptive term such as scary skull into this text box. Click on Create to generate 4 different objects based on the description. Choose one, and you can also adjust the resolution to view high-quality versions. To view all your creations, navigate to the Creations tab located at the top of the screen. The second option, which is Capture, enables you to create 3D spaces or objects from a video. Click on the Capture tab and choose between using it on iOS or on the web. If you're using on the web, upload a video that captures your object from all sides, top, bottom, and all around. For iOS, follow similar steps. And once your video is uploaded, Luma AI will process and generate a 3D object. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.